Hi guys and dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you, this video is like part 1, and we're going to be doing like this nice kind of Valentine's Day table setup. So everything I bought from the Dollar Tree. Every single thing that you see on this table is what I bought from the Dollar Tree. And I do believe in trying to do creative things at a cheaper cost, because if you were to have gone to Michael's, this probably would have cost you over $100. But I'll go through it really quick before we put together what I have. So I got these flowers right here. So it's like pink roses, these kind, the red kind, these kind of like fuchsia like ones, the white ones, and these green beads. Some people say that this doesn't seem to go like well together, but I like it, so that is what I have. And then I'm going to scoot you closer to the table. I have these heart picks that are going to go along with the bouquet. We have ribbons that we're going to use. We have these heart jellies right here. I got them in pink and red that we're going to use. I have this heart lace kind of like almost like a placemat, I guess, in a way, that I'll be using. I have my pink glue gun over here, and that's just some extra stuff that I got. But we have some rose petals, pink and red. We have, oh, they were hiding. Hold on 1 second. We have the vanilla kind of tea light candles right here. And then we have this plate called Love, where that's where I'm going to put the food items in. We have a couple of these vases. Some more of those gel-like hearts. And we have a placemat that we're going to use. Some wine glasses over there. And a couple of candlelight holders. And I think there's some stickers over there that we're going to decorate our vases with. So that's what we're working with for right now. And I'm going to show you how I put it together. Alright guys, so we are going to start decorating the vase. I'm going to do one at a time because, to be honest, I'm not sure where the other floral went for the other vase I was making for my mom. So that's kind of a mystery. I'm still trying to figure out where I put that. But for now, we are just going to, I'm going to get some scissors. And here's some of the stuff that we're going to use. And let me see here. I got these, but I think I'm going to take them back just because these are more stickers and I kind of want to hot glue them. And the ones that I already have in here from like 2 years ago are the exact same. So I'm probably going to stage it out for maybe another item. Okay, so I have been doing a little bit of thinking, but I'm still kind of like trying to put it together. So I'm going to kind of go through, but I'll speed this part up or do it in chunks so this video won't be so long because it is kind of a lot to cover in a way. Alright guys, so now that we've taken all the tags off of this, and here is my beautiful vase. I just wrapped the love ribbon around the top and the bottom, and this one has arrows and hearts, and then this I just kind of put on alternating white, pink, and red, and this is alternating pink and red, but more of the sparkly kind. So this looks like it was like really nicely made and everything, but this is for cheap, so you can still get a nice look with it, like without it looking good, but without spending a lot of money is what I'm trying to say. And now we're gonna put in, I just noticed these are a lighter pink. This one's different. But we're gonna put in the alternating things. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place it in. These are gonna kind of be like our marbles in our vase, and then I'm gonna put in some water to give it more of that gel, like real, like almost effect, instead of just looking like you just do a whole bunch of marbles in here. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I actually have a whole bowl. I tried to put this together a little bit to see what it was gonna look like. And what I'm probably going to do is start off with the red. So right now I'm just going to put the red ones in on the bottom. And I kind of like to alternate this too. So kind of just, let me see if you guys can do this. So kind of, you can do it however you want. But for me, I kind of like patterns in a way. So I'm going to, put these in on the bottom first to kind of have it, oops, I accidentally threw in a pink one. And there it goes on the floor. And I put in another pink one by accident. Wherever it is, okay, it's right here. So, I'm kind of just picking out the red ones. Trying not to like accidentally pick out the pink ones. So, and one bag of what I just showed you should be enough for the bottom, because it comes with like 50 pieces, so it should be fine. So now I kind of have that on the bottom. I think I'm going to put in about like 8 more. 5 to 8 more, and then now I'm going to put in the pink. So I'm kind of just alternating it a little bit. You can mix it up if you want, but for me, I'm just going to put it kind of layered. And so that's what I'm doing, but like I said, you can always make it your own. You can always mix it up a little bit. It seems to be more pink in here than red. I don't know why. Probably because I opened up more of the pink packages than the red ones. But yeah, I'm just kind of doing that. I'm just layering it. So once you do that, you can put a little bit of water in it. And I'll show you that when we come back. this has like a placemat. But see, I don't like how it sticks out. And like, I think that's what I said, if it was in a different color, but you know what I mean, it's like gonna already be like overdone in a way, so I don't wanna, but I kinda like these in a way as like a placemat, but I feel like it might be, here, if I move this more in the middle, but it might be a little too much, but. Alright guys, I don't know what just happened with my camera, so I don't even know if it caught that. But these I'm thinking about using as like maybe placemats. And then I have that with the rose petals kind of going around. And then I had these tea lights. I'm going to get the sticker off of them. I think I might like that a little better. I gotta go on the other side and see. I think I like that better. Okay. So these aren't necessarily like tea lights, but I guess they'll work. So that's that with the candle holders and the candles inside. I might sprinkle some of these heart gels, kind of. Might sprinkle some of this. I think I kind of like those as like a placemat. And this is what I'm making the mac and cheese. Well, I'm not making the mac and cheese in here, but this is what I'm putting it. I'm putting it in here. And that will be probably like right, that would be probably like right here. That's where my mac and cheese is gonna go. So maybe I will put this right here, like that. But I feel like it kind of blocks the centerpiece, so I think I'm going to keep it right here. And I'm just going to put this on when it's time, so. So here I got warm up your night tea lights. Got them from like Amazon for like $10. This is going to go around as well. So this will probably go right here. Like that. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, then it's going to be like this. Alright. So that's what that looks like as of right now. So I'm really a hopeful romantic, I guess you could say. So I'll zoom in on the centerpiece. Here's the centerpiece with the two candles, candlelight things, and then the tea lights. Let me fix this one. Tea lights kind of going around with the hearts going around with the rose petals and stuff. And I'm just going to lift this up just so you guys can see more from that point of view. I have my wine glasses up. These are my wine glasses right here. So I have those up. I'm going to end up tucking in the tablecloth once I have some tape, because I'm about to tuck my tape. But isn't that just so beautiful and just so like romantic? Like, I just love it. I just love it. I'm a visionary, so I absolutely love this. Is kind of what my vision was like, but more. And this is all, and when I say all, except for the tea lights, all of this is from the Dollar Tree. The tablecloth, these whatever they're called, pink heart things, wine glasses, candles, the candle holders, the rose petals, the heart gels, the flowers, the vases, the ribbon, the stickers. All of this is from the Dollar Tree, so you don't have to spend a lot of money. Alright, it's kind of dark because it's no longer daylight out. It's evening. It's about 6:45, but here's the one that I made for my mom. I kind of had the two ribbon on the very bottom, the very top be the same, and then this one and this one's the same, and then the middle one kind of is the difference, with red and white hearts going around. Some are sparkly. Again, I put the hearts in, the hard hearts, pink and red, along with some water. And this is kind of just the bouquet. And this is just, you know, with no green bead looking like flowers. I don't even know what they're called. With heart picks in them. If you can see the heart picks. So that is that. And this is probably, like I said, less than $10 creation.